Hello everybody, welcome to Learn channel. Today I wanna tell you how to just remove your images backgrounds as easy as it can be. To do this in your PC or laptop or phone, there are a lot of different apps, but this website is really easy. It is remove.bg, as you can see here. It's really easy to work with it. It's enough that you upload your image like me. For example, I wanna upload this to photo. I click on open. It will uploading, and then it will separate the character from the background, and tada, it is here. You can click on download here, or also you can edit if it's just bug and something just like that, or change your character background, something just like this. Different things you can use here, or also there is erase and restore here. I wish you enjoyed this video and it will be useful for you. If you like such this video, please subscribe to channel.